Alright, vlog number 2. On the way to Concourse. It's a supercar car show. Once a year in Miami. We're a little bit late. Started at 11. I see mad, crazy cars. Crazy cars. And yeah. Alright, yo, just got here. Got George in front of us. Adrian on the... Oh, it's so dark. Adrian on the cam. Let me get it. Alright, yo, just parked up at the parking garage.
Why do you leak here? There's a whole
here, you feel me?
But I already seen a teal F40. Like, where do you see that? Where?
Where? You got Miami? Miami?
We were making a left on that street. Some fucking bitch passed by in front of me. She's like, I rolled down my window. I was like, you're not that important. We're in Miami, my love. Oh, hit him like this with. Disgusting, man. Don't even worry about it. Shit. You're looking drip that. Drip that.
I don't know why is there a slide? I have no idea. Because this is Miami, bro. We're going out. I don't know where this goes. Oh my god! Yo! How can I get fucking crushed? I did! My fault! This boy got all our phones! Fuck! We're going up! No! Oh my god. Fuck! Oh my god. Fuck! Alright, we're walking up. Oh.
Walking down the middle.
Walking up. Oh.
Don't look.
Oh. Wait, we
off right. I saw that right. Not ready? I already saw that.
Oh my god.
I saw that right.
There's the F40 that Elliot was talking about.
Yeah. Guys, comp twin turbo V8. Teal. Oh, look at the chrome rims.
That's fire.
Look at the blue interior.
Oh, blue interiors. Oh. That's so fire.
Probably owns a bunch of gimmicks.
Where do you see this, bro?
Nowhere.
I know.
Nowhere.
Literally nowhere. That boy got money. Agent Elliot. Elliot! Oh my god.
Oh, blue Centenario.
The Millennium Jade on them.
We haven't seen that Centenario.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are hard.
Lamborghini. Fly on?
I think this is the same owner.
The last video. Dang.
Black carbon.
Black. That's
Oh, they have the top speed one over there.
That's so
They have the
mean.
top speed one over there.
We see now though. But Devos are so hard.
Nah, shit. Oh, look, this side is carbon and then the other side is matte.
Oh yeah.
What's 110?
It's probably an anniversary.
This looks insane.
I love this. This is my favorite.
From the TikToks.
Yeah. Wow, this is a really nice spec.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it's a sport too. And look, this is a 300-mile-an-hour one. That's super sport. We've seen one already. We've only seen one out of this one. And this is the top speed one. Look at the orange.
Yeah, that orange is crazy.
So bright and crazy and like.
Yeah, this is a 1 in. How many? Wait, how many? 1 in 5 in the whole world. That's crazy.
This is the one that they showed at everybody. This is like the first one ever built. This is like the one that they unveiled it with. You see that over there?
Yeah.
How it's squared off?
Yeah.
No Pagani has that unless it's an IMOLA. That means this is a $5 million. This is that crazy. If this is blue and yellow under this, smack me in the fucking throat. Only on video. It's the only one in Florida. Only one in North America.
Oh, damn.
And that's Matt.
Yeah, I guess that's fire. That is so confident. That is hard.
Yeah, we've seen this before.
I don't remember seeing an orange one.
We've seen this one.
This
I don't
one?
think we've seen this. Oh no, we have.
We have seen this.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, look at this color Rolls Royce. This? Oh, what is it? Oh, what Rolls Royce is this? What is it?
It's a Spectre, I'm pretty sure. This is the one that we saw in Canada.
This is electric?
This is the one we saw in Canada. Yeah. This is the one we saw in Canada.
I've never seen this.
Yeah, look.
That shit's like crazy. I've never seen
We
this.
should have stopped and looked at that car.
Look, it's from New Jersey. Yeah, this shit is crazy. That is crazy.
Like, us seeing that car was like probably like one of the most random good things that can happen. Go to the other side, or we go to the other side. Alright.
Hey, Kobe, vlogging out here. You throw gang signs every time. Oh my god. And he looks like a literal Russian hitman, bro. I feel like you're here undercover, bro.
It's cool, man. Undercover role. We meant to be here, you feel me? I don't know.
What car are you driving?
Multiple.
75.
One of 75. 75. That's still comp though. That's comp.
Some guy, on this one,
Oh yeah. So that guy owns it over there. This looks crazy. That looks crazy.
Look, I bet you haven't even seen this right here.
It's a $7 million car right there.
Same. A little paint too.
Yeah, I know. That's crazy.
It's officially been the most crazy show. We're gonna walk it again.
I think we should go get pizza now.
What?
Let's go get pizza.
Alright, the pizza's
Oh my god. That's cool. Oh yeah. Hi from earlier. What? What'd you say?
I said Revit, Daddy.
We're sitting here waiting for these
Unveiling of the Pagani.
Pagani unveiling. Hot. That's hot. Very hot. And we wanted food, bro.
No food.
We're getting food at 2:30. At 2:30. And this is at 2 o'clock. So we're doing this and then gonna go eat. A show. I thought I'd do this unveiling. So this is how many? One in America. There's one of these in America.
Yep. And then that is supposedly new reveal for Pagani.
That's never seen before. Never seen before Pagani. That's
Apparently,
crazy.
it's not for sure, but
That's
who knows?
crazy. Here's yours.
I hope that's gonna be sick.
There are always new and exciting creatures that are coming out of the factory. Horacio Pagani and the entire team worked tirelessly to build and create new pieces of performing art. The audio system was asked a few moments ago, but one speaker we had here with the microphone did blow. So I hope I'm doing a great job of promoting the excitement for the microphone. This vehicle we're about to unveil, ladies and gentlemen, is the Pagani IMOLA Roadster. Ladies and gentlemen,
if this is blue and yellow under this, smack me in the fucking throat.
Oh my god.
George called it. George called it. George called it.
no.
Oh, look, the other one right here.
One street over.
Oh no! They started it. No way!
That's not her car.
Yeah, no. Walking to the car to grab my charger for my camera, and then we're gonna go get pizza.
I come out with like.
All right, we just got to the car, but get my charger.
Man, fuck
Get my charger.
Shit hot.
Got you breathing.
Yeah, those stairs are crazy.
Walking up those stairs.
Yeah, I was like, what, 6 floors of stairs?
Sound.
See them? I'm gonna get the charger and go get pizza, bro. We're hungry.
We got to the most expensive pizza place. Is it recording now? Is it not? Alright, whatever. Yeah, literally the darkest. I'm dead getting run over for that car.
Nothing.
Oh. One more time.
My
Front wheel drive.
That's fire. How did you do it?
What the? Alright.
Sponsored by Coca-Cola?
Bronze wheels, orange.
Hey, we're sitting at the pizza place. Now.
Get up, it's right there. Look. Hurry up. Look, it's turning.
Oh my god.
Look, it just left.
Oh my god.
Oh, I saw like a back.
Oh my god, I saw nothing. Oh my god.
But yeah, I'm about to go meet up with Elliot. Today's Adrian's birthday, so I might do something for that. But yeah, no plans today for real. Just gonna vlog and see what happens. And yeah, we're just gonna see what happens. Pulling up right now. But George is here.
Tell me your availability, I want all of you. If it's like that, then it's like that. Cause you line up like lightning. I expect you'll get feisty. Can't tell touch.
It's Adrian B-Day, and Dylan's already there at his house, so we're just gonna go chill.
Hell.
Oh! That's a car!
Good, Pablo.
Who's calling me?
Gang.
Matt's calling me.
Gang. No, out.
Make it easy with it.
George, eh?
Give me a chocolate shake.
I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna put it in your whip, but I didn't pay anything. You can hit
Happy birthday, dear Adrian. Happy birthday to you. Now,
kiss me.
I don't have a lighter for you to blow. I don't have a lighter for you.
Alright, if George does that, I'll do it.
We at the gas station. We got Matt behind me and Dylan here too. You guys are like idiots. We out to the gym now.
Oh yeah.
Out to the gym. Alright, we at the gym.
I don't know, maybe if I have a GoPro and I cross the cord, maybe I have a GoPro.
I don't feel like doing nothing, bro. I don't feel like doing nothing, bro.
You feel me though?
That boy didn't. That boy didn't.
You're trash.
Shoot it again, shoot it again.
Retire the ball. If you miss, you just have to walk out. You're so sorry. That kid is trash.
That kid is sorry. Personally, I would make that.
I'll record you right now and you try to shoot. I'll record you right now.
Come on.
Wait. Hold on. I promise you he misses.
I promise you to watch.
I promise you he's just as trash as you.
Bitch!
Mario,
There he goes. Get this nigga the fuck out of here. That boy's bad. That boy's bad.
it's alright. Now
Shoot.
They want buckets, they can have.
That boy is not hooping, bro. Oh. Hey. Oh my god. Bro, no one else is making it, bro. I'm just shooting it. Let's see. It's the third shot.
you got 2 shots. I don't give a fuck. I would have made the second one. Shot. I would have made the second one. Are you fucking serious?
Oh my.
Where did I wake out?
This kid looks like an idiot. Look at that. Leaving the gym ski. We were there for like literally less than an hour, bro.
Oh my.
It's alright, but I put straight buckets on them boys. You know what I'm saying? I'm green bean, make your daddy cream. Like that's just how I get down. That's just how I get down.
Oh.
But that's just me personally.
Oh.
Sorry. I just spun my emo wheel.
I just split from these boys. They're all going home. I have to go pick up my girl now and then to go home. I'll see if I record more. Maybe a little bit.
Oh my god, it's weird. Record your outro.
Alright, I'll record before we go to sleep.
Yes.